This is my Sound and Light anime dancing Santa that I got at a closing consignment store today, 50% off for $3.50 in total. Remember, it's that gym locker store I used to go to, the one where I got the vampire, the sheep, lamb, and camel trio, Douglas fir, the disco vampire. I got all those guys. It's that same thrift store. It's closing down. They're moving somewhere else. And yeah, everything was 50% off, and I found this guy. He's really cool looking, as you can see. He's got a red cap, the eyes, which are plush. He's very similar to my hip hop reindeer, and he has his original tag. It's a little cut though, but it looks like this. Yeah, Deck the Halls is misspelled. It says Deck the How. Price tag. It was originally $5, but like 50% off. So NP on the shirt. North Pole has the original Press Here tag as well. Has the battery compartment there, off switch. Sound and Light. Yeah, I don't know what year this was made in though, but I think this is rare because I haven't really seen this anywhere else. But yeah, it seems a combination of Deck the Halls and You Can't Touch This. And no, it's not the It's Christmas song, so it's a different song. Anyways, here he is in action.
Yeah, it's Christmas time, y'all. Let's bring the joy. Come on. That's right. Didn't I tell ya? We can live in peace and break it down. Stop. Christmas time. Told you there's the reason to be jolly. It's Christmas time and I'm okay. You bring the joy, the ancient children do. You know it's Christmas time.
Yeah, he's very cool. And I'll be uploading my birthday present stuff soon. So, yeah, that's it for this guy.